Alright, Jaybird's next installment. Have you played Castlevania yet?
No.
Have you even heard of Castlevania?
No.
Look, I got the poster right above you.
Hotel Transylvania.
Go ahead, start it up. His first attempt at Castlevania. Again, it's a 2-button game. One's to jump, one's to whip.
One's to jump, one's to whip.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
You can whip that fire to get some power-ups. So you're going to the castle. So there's really nothing out here but to get you used to the buttons, I'm assuming.
Yep.
Now to use your special weapon, I think you hit up and the hit up and then the button to attack. There you go. But you see your hearts up there? Mm-hmm. You only get to use that 9 more times. So use your whip. There you go. See, now you only got 8 more. Try to hit those candles. There you go, dude. See, the more hearts you pick up, the more you could use your special weapon, if that makes sense. Now you can use it 9 times. There you go, dude.
I can get down on this one.
You like this one?
Yeah. I can get down.
You get down on it. So as you can see, your life went down by 2 when you got hit by that cat.
Where did it go?
He just ran off. There's another one. So you have to duck and hit these. Duck and then hit them.
Okay. Is there another one coming?
Eh. It's hard to find health on this game. The health is like, it looks like a big turkey leg. But it's kind of rare. It's not as often as Mega Man. Do not pick up that watch. Jump over it. Oh, cool. It disappeared. Yeah, you don't want to give up your little knife there. So you're going to have to go upstairs.
I'm gonna have to go upstairs?
Yeah, you didn't see that door up there?
I did.
You're doing pretty good, man, for...
He hit me.
You just said, forget it, I'm going up.
Yep. Enough fighting. Wait, what? I keep forgetting some buttons.
Hey, nice.
What was that?
You just killed everything on the screen.
Oh. That did nothing. There's like nobody on the screen. Not attacking me. Now, what am I doing now? Ah!
Yeah, bud.
My son.
I believe there's health inside those bricks. Yeah.
These are turkey legs to you?
Yeah. Oh, man, you picked up, like, I don't even know what that is. Ink potion or whatever.
Oh, well. I can't break anymore.
Nope. You gotta go the other way and go down the stairs. It's a tricky castle, isn't it?
Yes. Where do I go?
You go down the stairs. There you go, dude. Now, if you fall in the water, guess what happens?
I die?
You die.
Go. Go. Go on.
You could if you jumped over it, but... Now, you be careful with your jumping on this. There you go. There you go. Look at that, man.
Get out of here, sea monster. No, never mind. How did I do that? Would you go up?
Yeah, the stairs is the most difficult thing on this game. One of the most difficult things. Well, this game gets ridiculously hard as you go further in the game.
Oh, I'm really
What do you think of it, Sawyer?
Huh?
What do you think of it, dude? You already... Oh!
Oopsie daisies, wrong button.
You're already getting used to the music, huh?
I am.
You're just humming it.
Oh, I guess.
You can only get hit 2 more times. I'm hoping you're getting to the boss. Yes! The boss, Jaybird. You haven't even died yet. Proud of you. Good luck.
Is this the boss?
Yeah, the first level boss. Stage
He's a
This
bat.
says stage 3, but this is level 1.
He's way too hard.
Use your special weapon. Up, remember?
Stop, Sawyer. Huh? Did I seriously?
Oh, you gotta start all over.
Why did I fall down that? Wait, is this starting all over?
Kinda. Oh no, you're right there.
And here's the bat. I can't get up here? Oh yeah, I can. Wait. I can't go.
You have to hit forward. You have to beat him with your whip, dude. That's all you have. Like, there you go.
What was that?
You picked up your whip.
Did I drop it or something?
Nah, you just gotta get it every time you die.
Can I like go through these doors?
No, you gotta beat him. Dude, you're tied with him right now. 2 damage.
Why can't I do the special power?
You don't have
Oh, you don't have it. You died.
When you die, it goes away.
Gotta beat him with your whip.
Yeah.
You're close, dude.
I'm gonna die.
You're alright. You're not gonna die. You got him. Duck and hit him when he comes close.
I tried jumping, that didn't work. I guess I'll duck this time and listen to your advice.
He might be too high for you to duck and hit him. We'll see.
So you're gonna come after me or no?
Yeah, I think he's waiting for you to go after him.
What's that noise?
You got 27
Oh,
seconds.
time. You're actually gonna run out of time on it. I don't think that's ever happened. Oh, you found a secret brick.
What the heck?
It's not easy, is it?
Oh my gosh. What's happening?
What's happening?
Why did I die? I'm so close to him.